crack it.
Hello students, in today's session we will be studying about internal organs. What are internal organs? Internal organs are the organs which are inside our body, or the organs which we cannot see are internal organs. Let me give you some examples. Heart, lungs, stomach and brain. These all are internal organs. There are many more, but according to your syllabus, we'll be dealing with these 4 internal organs. First internal organ we'll be studying today is heart. Can you see? This is your heart. Let us study about it. Heart is the most important organ of our body. It is reddish brown in color. Can you see your heart? This heart is reddish brown in color. It is located between lungs, slightly tilted towards the left side, or we can say it is located in your chest cavity. Heart is made up of strong cardiac muscles. Why the muscles are strong? So that the blood can flow easily. Now let us study about the size of the heart. This is your palm. When you close your palm, it becomes a fist. So the size of human heart is like an adult fist. Our heart beats about 72 times in a minute, or you can say that it beats 1,15,000 times in a day. Now the question arises, why it is the important organ? What does heart do for us? Let's study. Heart is the only organ, you can say, only central organ for pumping blood to the entire body. It means our body is receiving blood only through heart. Let us see how. Now our heart is connected to the blood vessels, which carries blood to and from the heart. Let us study. Now, from the heart, the pure blood goes to different organs, and from different organs, the impure blood is again collected in the heart. Again it becomes pure, and the cycle goes on and on. Let us study, let us understand through a picture. Children, can you see the diagram? This is your heart, and heart is connected to the blood vessels. It is located in the chest cavity. Let's see further. Now, the impure blood from the different organs. Can you see this blue pipe-like structure? From this pipe, you can say from this vessels, the impure blood is collected in the heart. Can you see the arrows? From all the different organs, the impure blood comes to the heart, and can you see this? It comes to the heart, and from the heart it goes from here. Can you see this arrow? It goes to the lungs. Let me show you the next picture. Now see, from here the impure blood has come here, and from here it goes to the lungs for oxygenation. Here this blood is deoxygenated or impure blood, and from here the impure blood goes to the lungs for oxygenation. After oxygenation, the blood comes to this part. You can see this red particular part, and from here the blood is pushed upwards and then it is distributed to, can you see? Here the blood comes here and from here it is distributed to different organs through arteries. So the pure blood is distributed and the impure blood is collected in the heart. It goes in the lungs, make it pure, and then the pure blood is distributed further through arteries. So our heart works day and night. It does not take any rest. We can feel the heartbeat. Children, do you want to feel the heartbeat? Yes. So what you do, take your right palm and put it on the chest cavity. You will feel the heartbeat. Let's do it. One more fact. Laughing is good for your heart as it reduces stress and gives a boost to your immune system. So let's laugh. Enjoy your day. Thank you.